You guys okay? What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Cameron here with yet another video. Today I'm gonna go over my 2002 Subaru Forester. This is my winter vehicle and camping vehicle. I know it is not winter, but it is on the road right now due to COVID. A lot cheaper to run, and it's a fun vehicle to drive, so I don't mind having it on the road. So let's get to it. So I don't even know where to get started with this thing. We'll start at the wheels, or let's start with when I bought it. So I bought it just before winter last year. I paid 800 bucks for it. The guy that owned it previously was here on a work visa. He had to go back home because his visa was done. And yeah, so I picked it up for pretty dang cheap. The guy said it had wheel bearing issues. What else did it need? Bunch of stuff. Windshield was broken, still is. I have not gotten that fixed yet, but I've done a buttload of work to it, so let's just get to it. Also, I got a special guest today. He's not a happy guest, but Cooper here. He is not the happiest guy, but he's out enjoying some sunshine. He's got to be on a leash because, I mean, I'm sure you can kind of tell with the cone on his head. This guy's got no more family jewels. Anyways, Subaru. I have Montague's off-road wheels. I don't know if there's what the model is or whatever you'd call it, but they are wrapped in BF Goodrich KO2s, wrapped with 235/75 15s. I have a lift on it, 2-inch lift. Here, let's put you guys down for a second. So I do have a 2-inch lift, strut spacer lift with a trail arm spacer. I had a very hard time trying to find actual lift kits, like entire suspension. I wanted to replace the strut and springs. They have springs, but no aftermarket struts. They're very hard to find, or they're really, really, really expensive. So I just went with the 2-inch ADF Anderson Fabrication Design. 2-inch lift, trail arm spacers. What else do I have done to this? Roof rack, light bar. I mean, it's nothing too special. Interior is stock. I had to do a bunch of hammering in the wheel wells. We did end up cutting the front bumper. And I mean, it's not too special. Snorkel that is not functional yet. I've had the snorkel on for a couple months now. I literally just need to buy like one hose that goes from the snorkel to my intake, and I just haven't bought it yet. It's like a $5 part and I just haven't bought it yet. Kind of sad. Anyways, that is pretty much it. I do have a lot of plans with this thing. Like, it will be all on this channel. I'm gonna document everything. I'm gonna record everything. I'm gonna make videos for you guys. yeah, I don't know what else to say about this thing. It's a beast. This is the second motor. The first motor I bought, or the motor that came with it, let's see, it says there's 326,000 on it. When I bought it, I did the timing belt. I did the timing belt and the, actually I did timing belt and head gaskets, and I kind of fucked that up. Sorry for my language. But I went through like, oh my goodness, like three timing belts. Let's see if I can flash it. I don't know how well you can see in there. I can't see it at all. But pretty much the timing belt tensioner, the bolt kept coming loose, and pretty much the previous person that did the timing belt stripped the bolt hole, and every time I kept putting it in, I'd get it to torque, but it would just wiggle loose. So like, I don't know how to explain that, but now it doesn't even go in. Like, heck, it probably could have been me, but I don't recall forcing a bolt in and really stripping it, but whatever. So I got this motor out of a 2002 Outback, had 168,000 on it. I slapped a new timing belt on it, a new head gasket, and it's been running friggin' strong. I do have other plans for this, like I said, but for now, that is it. In a couple videos, you actually will see me do a skid plate for it. There is nothing, I can't get you guys under there. There is nothing protecting it right now, and going off-roading a couple times, I have gotten pretty close to hitting something. So I do have a sign that I'm going to make into a skid plate. That is my up-and-coming skid plate. But yeah, I eventually want to do something sick with it. I'm not quite too sure yet. I've been looking at like wide bodies, simply because I want more width to it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys will see some off-roading videos and some exploring videos, and hopefully it's gonna be a good winter, and we will get you guys some snowy videos. That is it for today. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.